Hello and welcome to another episode of the Right Space podcast. Yes, I'm your host, Robyn-Lee Samuels, and today I am flying solo. I'm all by myself, no guests here for you, just me. And so I thought we could talk about what to do when you kind of just don't have the capacity or the energy or the mental fortitude to create content. We've all been through those times when it's just like, you have to do it. It's a thing that has to get done, but you are just down. You're just out. There's just no way you can get there. So I thought I would create a bare bones content plan with you. So let's get started. The first step in creating a bare bones content plan is starting with the number of posts that you would normally create in a month, in a given month. So if you create 12 posts, bring that number down to 8. So take at least one post away from each day, each week in that month. That'll immediately reduce the number of posts that you need to do. Then we're going to do something else. We're going to repurpose 80% of your content. So 80% of your posts for that month, when you're feeling burnt out and you're feeling tired and you just don't have the capacity to create content, take 80% of the posts and repurpose things from 3 or more months ago. So take things 3 months ago, 5 months ago, 6 months ago, last year, things that you posted then, and we're going to fill up our content slots with repurposed content, right? So 80% repurposed content, and the other 20%, we're going to leave that for new, fresh things that we create and write when we have an idea, when we have that little burst of energy, when we have surge. That way, if you have 12, let's say you have 12 posts that you're creating a month, 9 or 8 of those are going to be repurposed content. Some of your old content, take the same caption, put a new visual on it, take the same visual, add new caption to it, spice things up, make it a little different, take the visual away altogether and just post the plain words as they are. Because let's be honest, most of your audience didn't see that thing the first time, and unless someone's a really super duper fan, they probably don't even remember the post from 3, 4, 5 months ago. So don't worry that people will notice. Usually they don't. And then tip number 3 would be to do the minimum. If you're used to making videos and you just can't, then skip the video, put a quote of black text on, or whatever your brand colors are, of text on a background that match your brand colors. And if you can't even, get there, if even that is too much for you, because sometimes it can be, black text on a white background, white text on a black background, that works just as well. And just post it. And if all of that also feels way too overwhelming, guess what? You don't even need to add those things. You can use LinkedIn kind of like Twitter. Just don't get all overboard with it, because we want to keep LinkedIn nice and lovely and wholesome. So there you have it. It's just that simple. It took me less than 5 minutes to tell you about it. Let's recap. First things first, take one post away from each week of that month. So if it's a 4-week month, you're going to take 4 posts away, at least 4. You're going to take 4 posts away. Then the remaining number of days when you are posting, have 80% refurbished, recycled, reused, repurposed content from 3, 4, 5 months ago. Finally, you do the new content only as you have capacity to, as you are able to. So you could even front load all the 80%, all that 9 stuff, and then that gives you like an entire month to have random bursts of inspiration. And finally, do the bare minimum. Post just text if you have to, or just simplify your graphics, simplify the process, and do the bare minimum. The point is to show up, stay consistent, but not to overwhelm yourself. Because at the end of the day, LinkedIn's there to help you. It's a tool to help you speak to your audience and connect with people. It's not the master of you. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, share it with a friend, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.